morning! Good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. Today is Thursday. Thursday na ako nag-vlog kasi marami akong pending na vlogs. Lately talaga, as in, bagsak na bagsak yung katawan ko. Sabi ni Nico dahil sa time change, summertime na kami ngayon. 1 hour late kami dito. Pag winter time naman, ahead kami ng 1 hour. So parang bagsak na bagsak yung katawan ko, char. As in, since nung nag-time change, nakakatulog ako ng 8 PM. As in, sobrang pagod ng katawan ko. Parang yung feeling talaga na bagsak siya. We are on our way sa post para kunin yung pinadala sa akin. May kumpanya na nagpadala sa akin ng robot na vacuum. I'm so excited. Excited talaga akong ma-receive yun, as in. Buti na lang talaga kinontak ako ng company kung na-receive ko na ba yung item. Hindi ko alam na tinuloy nila. Wala akong update na pinadala na nila. Tapos yun, nag-reply ako na wala naman akong natanggap. At wala din akong update kung napadala na ba or kung ano ng status niya. Wala akong tracking number. So yun, binigay niya sa akin yung tracking number. Pagkabigay niya sa akin ng tracking number, halaka, nung 26 pa pala, nandoon yung aking package. Hindi ko napansin. Diba nga, nung 27 at ako pumunta doon para wag padala ng hotdog kay Latimile. So, I'm so excited na tinuloy pala. Andito na kami sa post. Taran! At dyan ko kukunin. Si Nico yung dinala ko ngayon kasi break time niya at dyan pag nag-park ka, kahit 30 minutes na parking, kailangan mong magbayad. Since andito naman si Nico, hindi niya kailangan bumaba. So, hindi ko kailangan magbayad ng parking area. Andito na ako. At grabe, ang bigat, ang laki ng karton. Hinihingal ako. As in, malaki pa yung box sa akin. Tapos, yung babae doon, sa cashier or sa teller, sabi niya, kaya mo ba yan? Parang nag-worry siya ba na ang bigat-bigat. Kasi ang liit ko nga, tapos ang laki ng karton. Mas malaki pa yung karton kaysa sa akin eh. Hi, my chats!
Hi.
Nandito na kami sa bahay at tingnan nyo naman kung gaano siya kalaki, besh. Tingnan nyo. Taga dito ko siya, tapos ang lapad niya. Sobrang laki at mabigat siya, besh. So, open natin to. We'll see, we'll see. That's why it's bigger box. Mein Schatz, ich kann nicht.
Du lass mich halt.
Okay. Ang laki niya pala. Ooh! Nice! Yeah! I'm excited! I wanted to buy a robota, girl. You told me not to. Maybe a company will send us well.
Let's see if it's good.
Wow! This is the Lydsto sweeping and mopping robot R1.
Lydsto, würde ich sagen.
Lydsto?
Ja.
Yeah! So here is an instruction manual. Oh, this is heavy. So cute.
Und what I like, it's not styrofoam.
Yeah, and some filters. Here are filters.
Wow, a big stack.
Yeah, nice.
That's a lot of filters.
And this one is also some bags. That is the doctor.
Looks like a electronic trash can.
Careful, careful.
Wow, it's huge.
It's big! Wow! It's a big window! And we have... What is this? This is... What is this? Yeah! What's this one, shots? Ah! This is for mop.
For wiping.
Yeah. Let's open this. Woo! I'm happy. I don't need to. Careful. Wow! This robot is huge. Oh wow! Before use, remove the limit bar. Limit bar, I see. Nice. The product name is Robot Vacuum Cleaner, model HD STYTJW03. Battery is 5200 mAh and rated power is 50 watts. Nice, nice, nice. And this is the docking station. Warning, keep the package out of reach for infants. Ah. Ta-da! Oh, that is the bag. Here you put the bag. Nice.
So every time it charges, it's getting the dust and stuff.
Nice, huh? I don't need to remove the dust in there. It's only here. Ah!
Seems so, indeed.
Nice, nice, nice. So filters. Here is the app. I need to scan the app. While installing the app, we'll read the instruction. This one is the mop cloth support. This is the mop cloth. This one is the disposable mop cloth. And this one is the dust bag. This one is 30 pieces. Wow! Then we have here the cleaning knife. Nice, 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 nice. It has infrared sensor. Infrared sensor is here. Then bumper is this one. This one is recharge button or indicator. This one is power button. Infrared sensor. This one is anti-collision strip. What has LIDAR or LIDAR?
It's a scanner. Scanning the environment. It's the same like I have with the 3D, with the virtual reality. It's scanning the environment and recognizing the tables and furniture, and it's also used for autonomic driving. The thing is really high tech. I don't think many vacuums have that LiDAR.
Hey, I will try.
Like the one I've seen don't have LiDAR.
We will try there.
The vacuum mop has started. Please install the tube in one dust compartment with water tank and start again. Charging.
Oh, nice!
that?
Yeah, that is the
Look, what is that? Ah,
It's the filter
the filter.
for the.
But how? There's still, look.
Yeah, there's still filter.
But how does it get in there then? Ah, okay, never mind.
Why?
The hole is on the side.
Short press.
Cleanup is starting.
It's orientating, scanning. Wow, it's even orientating around it. And the good thing is it doesn't have Wi-Fi,
So, it also have.
but it is not necessary for
Yeah.
using it. Like many cleaning robots have mandatory Wi-Fi, and they will send the data of your rooms, like it will scan your room, they will send it to the server of the company. So everyone can, or not everyone, but the data of your apartment is on the server.
I
And
did
you-
not clean.
And you don't know what will happen to it.
I did not clean for this. Nice,
Die Bürste ist wirklich gut.
Nice.
Stark. Yeah. That's why you should place it back to the wall, the charger.
Hey, you still have here, oh. Tanong. Nice.
But I wonder if it will find the way out of this corner.
Oh God!
Yeah, it's even cleaning in the edges.
Nice, good.
Wow, it's even getting out of this corner. This one is really good, my shots.
Nice!
I think it's a super high grade vacuum cleaner. Or I mean
It's really following, yeah, the edges, huh?
yeah, the lighter is super great.
Wow! Because naman say first we need to scan the area, right? It's really following the edges. Impressive! But she can't go there.
It's a she now.
Oh wow! It's climbing! It's even going to the teppy. Hey, you're already done in there. Come back here. The name of this is sushi. 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 The name of this is sushi. Sushi, come back here. Here.
Wenn du ständig da rumfummelst, dann bringt's auch nichts mehr jetzt.
She's listening
Wenn
to
du im
me.
Weg rumstehst, nein, dann fährt's gar nicht da lang. It's really great.
Charles, you want to go there inside? I don't climb in there. Hi. She really likes to climb. Or she's following the edges, right?
Mhm.
Here.
Jetzt warte doch mal.
Cleanup is paused.
Ay.
Cleanup is resumed.
Where's my shot?
Ja, die werden schon nicht.
Yeah, she will go there. See two?
I think it's low, but sure.
Cleanup is paused. Returning to the dock to charge.
Aha, let's see if it can find the docking station. Searching.
There is your ducky. Oops.
Here you go.
She cannot find the ducky.
She needs to be in perfect position.
Starting to collect dust.
Wow! Wow!
Dust collection has been completed.
Nice.
Charging.
Can I watch? Can we see if there's a dust?
I don't know, but it's very few, I think.
Dust. Nice.
This is really great.
Sobrang nag-enjoy kami ni Nico sa robot. What can you say about the robot, my chat?
It's awesome.
Hindi ko siya ni-register sa app niya kasi ayaw ni Nico na, yun yung sinasabi kanina ni Nico na hindi na siya mandatoring i-connect sa wifi para mag-start siya. As long as nakakonect yung electric device nyo sa wifi, pwede yang ma-hack, especially yung mga cameras na nakakonect sa wifi. Yun yung madaling ma-hack. At ayaw na ayaw ni Nico na i-register ko yung robot sa app kasi yun yung sabi niya kanina na yung data ng app mo isi-send sa company tapos makikita na nila yung area ng bahay niyo, ganun. Ayaw na ayaw ni Nico ng ganyan kaya yung mga devices namin dito walang mga app.
There's also the option that you can connect it to a Wi-Fi that is not connected to the internet.
But how does it work?
Well, then it will be localized. Yeah, but it works without it, so it's fine, I think. So you can customize it, put cleaning times.
With the app, of course.
Yeah, with the app. Oh, the app is probably great.
Ito yung app nila. Kailangan mong iselect yung country mo, tapos enter the email address mo, and then password, tapos login. Pag naka-login ka na, kailangan mong iselect yung robot mo. Sa app, makikita mo rin ang voice control. Pwede mo siyang lagyan. Pwede mo rin i-register yung floor area nyo para ma-recognize ka agad siya ng robot. Then you will see sa app yung room cleaning spot, yung area. Mamamonitor i-monitor mo sa app yung battery ng robot, kung i-start nyo ba siya or hindi. Tapos yung cleaning area niya, remaining battery, yung cleaning time, pwede nyo siyang i-set up. Pwede nyo din siyang i-schedule yung paglilinis niya. Tapos meron kayong may map, remote control, virtual wall, voice prompt, deep cleaning, edge cleaning, meron din. Tapos pwede mo din siyang i-mopping mode, and so on. Ang dami mong options sa app nila.
I just don't trust it. Not specifically that app, but everything that is in the internet.
Ang ganda! Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng ganito, ililib ko siya sa description box. The long wait is over. Again, thank you so much, Lucas, for contacting and for trusting me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good choice.
Yeah. And that was our first impression about the Lydsto sweeping and mopping robot R1.
Yes, it's really good. It even finds out of the difficult corner and going in the small edges under the couch. It's good.
Nice!
Really awesome.
And I will give a day-to-day review siguro for this vacuum. Nice! Intelligent electric control. So, gamay siya. Control. Nice, nice, nice. So, i-update ko lang yung company na nagpadala nito sa akin. Mamaya na akong maglilinis dito. Kailangan ko pang ready yung aking upload kasi hindi pa siya tapos.
Awesome. Awesome.
Sa lahat ng mga devices namin, yan lang yung parang amaze na amaze siya. As in, excited ako eh. So siya ay babalik na magtrabaho at ako ay mag-update dito sa aking upload. Tapos na yung aking premiere. Maraming salamat sa mga nandoon. Sabi ni Nico, i-on ko daw yung robot.
Cleanup is starting.
Enjoy na enjoy ako sa kanya, oy. At ako ay maglilinis dito sa kalat. Para matapos na tong kalat ko dito, oy, kasi ang sakit sa mata, besh. Meron din pala akong dumating kanina na package. In order ko sa Lux Organics, Netherlands. Thank you, sis! Nag-order ako sa kanya ng hair mist. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko talaga. Dalawa yung variant na kinuha ko. Itong musky rose at saka fresh floral. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko kasi nga, 'di ba, gusto ko alagaan yung buhok ko para healthy siya pag dinonate. So, maglilinis lang ako. Nilipat ko yung docking station ng aming vacuum. Diyan na lang na area, tapos itong halaman ko, dito ko na lang siya nilagay, tapos yung isa doon. Hindi siya magandang tingnan, pero much better kesa sa yung docking station doon. Hindi siya bagay na lagayan ng docking station doon na area. Kaya dito ko na lang siya ilagay. Sabi ni Nico, kailangan ko daw i-switch on yung vacuum para daw ma-familiarize niya yung area kasi nga hindi naman siya na-record sa app niya. Ayaw kasi ni Nico ng ganun. Alam niyo ba, yung isang vacuum ko nabigay din nila, nabagsak ko na yun pero gumagana pa rin siya. As in, yung pagkabagsak niya, natanggal lahat yung parts niya. Akala ko talaga yun na yung katapusan ng aming vacuum, pero hindi pa pala. It's good na yung vacuum namin ay malakas siya, matapang siya, besh. Ayaw niyang mamatay. Hindi pala ako magluluto ngayon kasi meron pa akong sinigang. Kahapon hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Siniko nagluto ng sinigang kahapon. Anyway, dumating dito yung biyanan kong babae. Naghatid siya ng pagkain. Ayan. Taran! Chicken curry yung hinatid niya dito sa amin. Meron kaming ulam. Pero hindi muna ako kakain yan kasi mas gusto ko yung sinigang ko. We'll see kung anong ginagawa ni Nico. Yung carton pala, dyan ko na lang siya nilagay sa labas kasi wala na akong malalagyan sa kanya. Siguro dun ko siya sa basement namin ilalagay. Wala na akong gagawin for today.